Welcome to the world of seamless smart living with this Echo Pop in Lavender Bloom bundle with TP-Link Kasa Smart Color Bulb. This thoughtfully curated duo is designed to make your home smarter, your routine simpler, and your spaces more vibrant. Whether you're looking to elevate your home's ambiance with customizable lighting or enjoy the convenience of hands-free control for your smart devices, this bundle has it all. Packed with powerful features like real-time energy monitoring, voice control via Alexa, and a compact design that fits perfectly in small spaces, the Echo Pop and Kasa Smart Color Bulb bundle is a must-have for anyone looking to combine functionality and style. Let's explore how this smart duo can transform your daily life into an effortless, colorful, and connected experience. What's included in the bundle? This smart bundle contains 1. Echo Pop in Lavender Bloom, a compact smart speaker with rich sound. 2. TP-Link Kasa Smart Color Bulb, a versatile smart bulb that allows for color customization, voice control, and energy monitoring. Top features and benefits. Number 1. Hands-free control with Alexa. The Echo Pop in Lavender Bloom allows you to control the TP-Link Kasa Smart Bulb effortlessly using your voice. Simply say, "Alexa, turn the lights on," and watch the magic unfold. Number 2. Customizable lighting. With over 16 million colors to choose from, you can set the mood for any occasion. Want a calm ambiance? Say, "Alexa, turn the lights blue." Hosting a party? Switch to vibrant colors that match your vibe. Number 3. Compact and stylish design. The Echo Pop comes in the stunning lavender bloom color, adding a chic touch to your decor. Its compact size ensures it fits perfectly into small spaces like bedrooms, offices, or kitchens. Number 4. Real-time energy monitoring. The Kasa app lets you track your energy consumption, helping you save on electricity bills while staying eco-friendly. Number 5. Easy setup. Setting up the bundle is as simple as plugging in the Echo Pop, screwing in the bulb, and letting Alexa guide you. No technical expertise required. Why choose the Echo Pop and TP-Link Kasa bundle? Unmatched convenience. From adjusting your lighting to scheduling timers, this bundle simplifies your daily tasks. Enhanced security. Use Alexa to simulate presence when you're away by turning the lights on/off at random intervals. Privacy first. Amazon's Echo Pop is designed with privacy controls, including a mic off button, ensuring your personal information is secure. Who is this bundle for? 1. Tech enthusiasts, for those who love innovative gadgets. 2. Homeowners, perfect for smart home automation. 3. Eco-conscious individuals, monitor energy use and reduce waste. How does it work? 1. Plug in the Echo Pop, connect to your Wi-Fi and download the Alexa app. 2. Install the smart bulb, screw in the bulb and the Echo Pop will automatically detect it. 3. Customize settings, use voice commands or the Kasa app to adjust brightness, color, and schedules. User experience and testimonials. Many users have raved about how this bundle has transformed their living spaces. Here are some highlights. The lavender bloom color is gorgeous, and the sound quality is fantastic for such a small device. I love how easy it was to set up the bulb and customize my lighting. Alexa makes it so simple. The energy monitoring feature is a game changer for managing electricity bills. What sets this bundle apart? Unlike other smart home devices, this bundle combines exceptional sound quality with cutting-edge lighting technology. The Echo Pop isn't just a speaker, it's your smart home hub. Pair it with the TP-Link Kasa Smart Bulb and you have a dynamic duo that's hard to beat. Conclusion. This Echo Pop in Lavender Bloom bundle with the TP-Link Kasa Smart Color Bulb is the perfect combination of style, functionality, and convenience. Whether you're stepping into the world of smart home technology or looking to upgrade your current setup, this bundle delivers on all fronts. With hands-free control, customizable lighting, real-time energy monitoring, and a compact, sleek design, it effortlessly simplifies your daily routine while enhancing your living space. Beyond its impressive features, the easy setup and robust privacy controls make it an ideal choice for both tech-savvy individuals and beginners. The added ability to save energy and create personalized lighting moods makes it not just a smart choice, but an eco-friendly one too. Don't wait to transform your home into a smarter, more connected space. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and take the first step toward an elevated living experience today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.